Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to print an email on the Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and then tap on this letter button down below on the left side corner of the screen. Select the letter that you want to print. Click on the more icon on the right side of the screen and click on the third option, which is print. Here you have print options, so you can select the printer first of all. Then you can set the copy, the paper size can be selected, click on the relevant one, and then the orientation. Here you can see the outline and click on the print button at the top of the screen. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.